We now have these OVS Expedition truck caps available for Tacomas, Gladiators, and other vehicles. Very high quality stainless steel, built-in tracks, gull wing style doors. You just pop the locks here. It's got heavy duty struts, very good weather sealing, makes it waterproof. It's a nice powder coated matte black finish. Third brake light included. You just pop the locks here to get access inside. Plenty of storage space. Really heavy duty stainless steel. Just close it up, boom. Each side. Visit us, Truck Access Plus. We now do the truck caps, OVS, Overland Vehicle Systems Expedition cap.